In Section C of Unit 8, students continue translating quadratic equations between their factored form, standard form, intercept form, and solutions. In Lesson 11, students analyze related quadratic functions that share the same zeros or solutions and axis of symmetry. In the process, they learn to write the equation of a quadratic equation without using technology. Lesson 12 addresses the more frequently assessed TEKS supporting standard 8B. 8B expects students to use graphing technology to analyze data sets to identify a curve of best fit. Lesson 12 has students calculate these regression curves and then use these equations to make accurate predictions about a situation given its real-world context. So, instructional tips for this section go into two different directions. If you are short on time, then it may help to save Lesson 11, where students write quadratic equations without using technology, for after the STAR exam. In contrast, Lesson 12's process of computing the curve of best fit for quadratic data and then using the regression information to make predictions provide a perfect springboard for reviewing the linear regression TEKS 4C and the exponential regression TEKS 9E. In terms of instructional suggestions for this unit overall, I would encourage the use of an anchor chart to help students internalize the confusing and unfamiliar academic vocabulary. Also, use the phrase algebra rocks. This phrase helps students remember that when setting a function equal to 0, the terms all identify the same points or x values. R stands for roots. The 0 or O stands for zeros. X represents x-intercepts, and the S stands for solutions. And if you're looking for ways to review some of the skills and vocabulary in these lessons, I suggest the listed Desmos activities. Each activity has been summarized and listed with their official Desmos activity title, so you can more easily search the Desmos teacher site using these specific titles.